The Apple Watch may be the top-selling watch globally, but it might not be the perfect wearable you're looking for. And we are going to tell you why you shouldn't buy the Apple Watch. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. The Apple Watch has become the standard for smartwatches, having a user base of over 100 million worldwide. While you may be contemplating purchasing one for yourself or as a gift to a loved one, ask yourself this: is it really necessary here? We'll discuss why the Apple Watch may not be worth the money you spend. So, let's look at all the reasons. 1. The Apple Watch's design isn't for everyone. You might not like the Apple Watch's square shape. It's essentially a big screen sitting on your wrist that may look and feel awkward. Sometimes, it could become a bit annoying while typing on a laptop, and you'll have to take it off for a comfortable typing experience. If you are a fan of traditional watches, you surely won't appreciate the clunky square design compared to the ever-famous round dial design. Other smart watches, such as the Galaxy Watch and the Moto 360, still look more classic with their round design. 2. You have to charge your Apple Watch daily. The Apple Watch features a battery life of 18 hours. While this should get you through the day, you'll need to charge your smartwatch every night to ensure it's up and running the next day. Charging the Apple Watch is easy, but it can be very inconvenient due to its proprietary magnetic charger. If you forget to charge it, you will most likely not have a functional watch the next day. It is worth noting that the Apple Watch does feature a low-power mode, which disables all features except the time. This can be useful, but still doesn't beat the longevity of a traditional watch. 3. The Apple Watch doesn't work without an iPhone. While the Apple Watch may boast a lot of features, in the end, it is pretty much an Apple product that only works with an iPhone. If you own an Android device and are looking to buy an Apple Watch, you'll also have to switch to an iPhone, which can be an expensive purchase altogether. The Apple Watch app is integrated into the iPhone, and hence, you can't use the smartwatch without it. Apple does this to keep you tied into its ecosystem, and it becomes harder to leave once you start to settle in. 4. The Apple Watch won't make you work out. A lot of people buy the Apple Watch primarily for its fitness features. Although the Apple Watch does offer loads of fitness workouts, you have to remember a primary fact: it can't make you work out unless you're motivated to do so. If you want to improve your fitness, the Apple Watch is a handy tool. However, it does not guarantee a better lifestyle unless you're willing to put in the effort. 5. Harder to stay offline. Many of us are trying to reduce our screen time in today's digital era. You may have a time limit on different apps, keep notifications off, and so on. Having an Apple Watch makes it more challenging to remain offline, since the primary purpose of a smartwatch is to keep everything your phone does at the comfort of your wrist. Constant notifications on your Apple Watch and the ability to make phone calls and send text messages actually increase one's screen time, which can be detrimental to your health. The Apple Watch may not be right for you. Apple sells millions of watches every year, which isn't a surprise, seeing that it offers many good features in a single package. But before purchasing one, it's also essential to consider the reasons not to buy one. Many alternatives offer similar features in a cheaper price package, and if you're low on budget, you should hold off on buying one. Tell us what you think about this in the comments section. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.